And people in Kentwood were rocking around the Christmas tree last night.
Here's a look at their celebration before we head to break.
Tonight we just gathered together as a community to help light the tree here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here Kentwood does this tree lighting. We skipped over last year because of the pandemic, but we're back this year. And it's wonderful to see everybody back out again enjoying our great tight-knit community here in Kentwood.
What's your favorite part about this?
Oh, seeing the kids and their smiling faces.
It was just a great time to come out with the kids, enjoy a parade, meet Santa.
What did you ask Santa for?
I asked him for a lot of stuff. Soccer cleats, slime, and headphones. Football helmet.
My favorite part is actually seeing the smiles on the kids' faces. My two daughters are 3 and 6, and I see all the other kids out here, and just to see their eyes light up when those lights light up is really special.
Merry Christmas.